hate to be the one to say this, but the vet jumped. Yeah, he jumped. Goddamn, Tanner. Fucking John Force over here. Alright, so this video is about the Yeti, but my inside GoPro stopped recording about 5 minutes into me and my dad driving it, so I'll put the Yeti clips first. But as you can see, we stumbled across a little 60-cent cash days or whatever they're calling it, so I'm gonna film that, and there's gonna be 2 videos in one.
Before you put the hood on.
Then? Is it time or something? What?
I don't know.
And the hood's mounted?
I mean,
Oil's changed? Fuel? You just topped off the fuel in it?
it's all topped off.
Is it time for the first drive or
The
what?
only catch, I don't have a seatbelt. You got a rope or a ratchet strap or something?
Oh, we can figure something out.
But, yeah, if it'll start, I want to warm it up and drive it anyway. So.
Okay, well, let's see if this rig will start then.
hate to be the one to say this, but the vet jumped. Yeah, he jumped.
There was no rules about it.
Hey, how'd you not bring 20s? You knew I was coming.
I didn't know, honestly did not know.
Yeah, whatever. You just didn't want me to take all your 20s. You didn't want me to take all your 20s. I got it. Got scared. I get it. Goddamn, Danny. Fucking John Force over here. Fucking, yeah, now he's rich, dude.
Hey man, I'm just out here for fun. I made it past first round. I'm happy. Dude, you should have not won that first round. I could have. Even said.
Calvin, get out of their business, dude.
Right here.
Get out of their business. They know what they're doing.
First test drive in the books right there.
Hey,
I mean, we let it warm up. We drove out to Mexico, made a pass.
I mean, we probably put 25, 30 miles on it.
Made a pass coming back when I picked you up.
Yeah.
And then we sat in traffic and came back to our house from Mexico.
Man.
And made another pass, made 3 passes, and the car was at 170 degrees after all that.
I'll tell you what, it's got better manners than some of our actual cars
The cars
it drove as good as Mom's.
The cars that we can actually drive, or supposed to drive, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that'll be a end of this video. First test drive in the car.
It did good.
I mean,
radio live. I mean, if we'd had slicks on it'd have made a leak.
we would actually need to go somewhere and test it.
I got a draggy charged for that did trip, and we didn't even take
Good thing we didn't take it. That'd be dumb.
Yeah.
That would have been stupid, then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to actually, if we're going to get serious about if I want to go do that no trailer or whatever,
we're going to have to figure
we would need to take it somewhere and actually test it.
Yeah.
So
we're going to have to figure something out.
not somewhere where cars are coming over the hill.
Well,
so.
Yeah, it wasn't sketchy or nothing. But
no, that spot's got some history, though, so.
Could have been a bad deal.
But, all right, I think that'll be it for today's video. I mean, from here on out, it's going to be
hopefully racing video.
Hopefully racing and going and doing stuff. So that's the plan anyway. I'm about to completely rewire your car too, so we need to get on it.
Yeah.
So, all right.